So this is Fudgie, our budgie. He just decided he wants to go on my shoulders, so we're taking him downstairs for the first time on my shoulder, just because he wanted to get it. So we've come from all the way upstairs. Yeah, because we just had our first training session with Bo to try and make him more tame, haven't we? Bo, where's Bo? There's Bo. He's not very tame yet, he flies away all the time. Probably fly away from the camera now, won't you, Bo? Look at it, oh, there he is, flying away. Bo, come back. Trying to get you on this. There he is, cute. Hello, Bo. He's getting a bit tamer, but he's still just young and scared. But Fudgie, yeah, he was already pre-tamed for some reason. Pretty cool. So he's very special, Fudgie, Budgie. Because he can just go out the cage and in whenever he wants, can't you? Because you can be trusted, because you go on someone's finger and back off it again. It's too easy to put back in the cage, which is what we're trying to teach all the other budgies. But to teach all the other budgies, we need Fudgie for the training sessions, don't we? Because he really helped then, and then he told me when to stop training Bo, because he flies around the room when he thinks the bird's had enough abuse from me. Making it fly around all the cage, still scared. But it's a lot less scared now. You nibbling my hair. Stop doing that. Oh, don't fly, please. Don't flap your wings. Can't be having any of that. Should we go and see the other two and remaining two budgies now? And there's Fudgie going to go and see them. Can you see him on the camera yet, Fudgie? I can't. And I can see his cages from this angle. Oh, I think I've got one of them. I might be able to get better from here. There's the other two there. They love each other, don't you? That's why they ended up pairing together when we got the three young ones. Chose to be with each other. So they're not just a random two budgies, they chose to be in love with each other, didn't you? Unless you're both male or female, but maybe so, we just don't know, do we yet? I haven't looked at your beaks properly yet. I didn't change colour enough yet, whatever it is. What are you doing? Oh, don't pet the screen. What are you doing? Why? Look at the screen then, look at me. There we go. Thank you. That's it. There's nobody posing at me, was there? Posing the right way now. That's it. And you round the screen and that was it. That's it. Look, Fudgie. That was a nice pose. Fudgie. Come on. Fudgie, come on. Do you want to come off? If he doesn't want to come off, that means he just wants to stay with his friends. Otherwise he just climbs on and climbs off like so. So when he's ready to stop playing with his friends, then he'll be ready to go back to his cage.